Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to talk about the Bitcoin crash and what's next for Bitcoin. We all know there's a lot of things that's going on right now, and things are not looking good for Bitcoin. Um, and there are several reasons that caused the Bitcoin crash. We have several unfortunate events happening at the same time during the market peak, and the first fall of the domino is Tesla CEO Elon Musk. He tweeted that um, Tesla was no longer able to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment because of environmental concerns. He argues that Bitcoin costs too much energy to mine, and um, all those energies are basically dirty energies. They come from coal, um, and causes environmental issues, which is contrary to what uh, what he believes in. Because we all know that Elon Musk is all about renewable energy and clean energy. So this was the first event that caused Bitcoin to drop, but it didn't drop that much. It was a rather small drop. What really dropped Bitcoin's price was China's announcement that they're going to regulate cryptocurrency and suspend all cryptocurrency mining operations. So the China crackdown was a huge uh, event that triggered the market crash and lead to Bitcoin and Ethereum and other cryptos to drop more than 50%. It's very significant because China most Bitcoins are being mined in China. They have those huge mining operations in West and Northern China that's um, that's producing a lot of Bitcoins. Uh, and the shutdown is going to cause, and by the way, it's not just the shutdown of the mining operations, but it's also the shutdown of crypto exchanges. And several exchanges in China already announced that they are suspending registration for new users and no longer offer certain services to Chinese users. So this is a very significant event that basically a black swan event that shocks the market and caused the market crash. And in the short term, it sucks, but that's just how the market works. But in the long term, many people still believe that it's gonna recover. Um, we can also see that since Bitcoin hit the peak at around $65,000, it was it basically stayed there for a long time and didn't move. So it was a small top for Bitcoin in that sense. And right now, the fundamentals of the crypto market looks bearish, and um, including the uncertainty about Bitcoin as an inflation hedge. Um, there's a lot of reasons caused the selling, and right now it's hovering around $33,000 and recovered to $36,000. Um, Another reason for the short-term bearishness is the expiration of call options. In this article here, we can see that it points out that the Bitcoin derivatives market, there's a lot of far out of the money call options at $100,000 strike price with over 8,000 calls and a notional value of $305 million. are at a six-digit strike price. So what that means is that once the weekend hits, all those call options will expire worthless. And we all know that call options are bullish. So if call options expire, that means it will cause even more downward pressure on on Bitcoin. Yeah, and there's some other reasons you can dig deeper into it. But yeah, um, so right now the whole market remains depressed, and we are heading into the Memorial Day weekend. And we all know Memorial Day weekend has it's a 3-day weekend. It's a long weekend, but um, the crypto market never closes, so it will still be trading, unlike the stock market. And you know, many people are saying that there's going to be more blood in the coming weekend, as we can see in this article here. Um, in a report, Cointelegraph speculated that Bitcoin could drop to 20,000 or below. The asset was most recently changing hands at 36,000, right? So it basically states that Bitcoin fails to hold above the 200-day moving average, which is a technical um, analysis signal that um, almost every traders will look at, the 200-day moving average. So if it has trouble staying above the 200-day moving average, that means the short-term bearish sentiment is still very strong. Um, so just like this person said, their short-term gauges are pointing higher, but they have no convincing immediate term buy signals. So there is no short-term catalyst for people to buy Bitcoin, but there's a lot of negative news and events that has happened. And he said that he's eyeing for $7,000 as a possible entry. And yeah, there you have it. I hope you learned something from this update, and just remain cautious in the crypto market because it's probably not gonna rebound very quickly anytime soon. So um, if you saw this drop coming and you took profits, then congratulations. But most people didn't, and you know, but if you're a long-term investor, then this drop is probably not going to affect you that much. It's all based on perspectives, and yeah, um, I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you find my video helpful, and I will see you in my next video.